also at 6, caught on camera, a frightening video shows a group trying to kidnap a woman in the Maroney as she fights them off. WDSU reporter Aubrey Killian is live where the video was captured. Aubrey, has anyone been caught here?
Hey, Sulla, so that attempted kidnapping, it happened right behind me here on Dauphine and Maroney, and at this hour, no one has been arrested. And your cameras captured all of it.
All of it.
Look closely. John Jocelyn's cameras are rolling late Thursday night. A woman is walking down the street, and this car pulls up.
And that guy grabs her and drags her towards the car, and a second person gets out of the car and helps to try to push her into the back seat. And my husband's and my reaction was, this doesn't happen. This is not just a simple jumping somebody for their purse. This is an abduction.
Another camera with audio picks up the woman yelling. Somehow, this woman was able to get away.
It gave us chills too, and very interesting the woman's reaction after the fact. And I'm going to assume that she, like me, kind of knows you live in an urban environment. You know how to protect yourself. You're aware that things like this are always a possibility. She remained very calm and collected. My husband has had a conversation with her, and she reiterated that she accepted this as part of living in the city.
Police say the men may have seen headlights from another car and sped off.
We also don't have enough police force. The officers that are here that are great, there's just not enough of them.
What's your message to the people in that video?
Why? Stop it. Why? I think my main message would be to the mayor, get us more police. We're not safe right now.
So again, this happened on Thursday tonight. No arrests have been made. If you've got any information, you can call Crime Stoppers. That number, it is 822-1111. Reporting live, I'm Aubrey Killian, WDSU News.
This suspect was caught on a doorbell camera as she was stealing a neighborhood property while the owner wasn't at home. She first took some of the stuff to her car and then came back to steal the other things. If this video wasn't captured through the doorbell camera, you won't believe something like this is really happening. You can see on the footage, she came to pick the other stuff, as if they really belongs to her. I just wonder, if she was caught red-handed, what would she had said is going on? Let me know in your comments what you think. And after the successful mission, the suspect drives away. This is a video of a real-life alien video captured and posted on TikTok. Look at the hands of this man. Does he look like a real alien or fake?
God.
Or do you think this is a reptilian?
Hold on. Manos. Es un alien. Es un alien, Dominic. Oh my God. Mira las manos. Oh my God.
What can you say
Ah.
about this video?
What?